Alright, so welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be teaching how to create a YouTube channel. And if you have created a YouTube channel, you also learn how to optimize your YouTube channel. In YouTube, it's not only about creating, it's also about optimizing it, making sure your description is well known to YouTube algorithm, so that making sure the keywords in your description we allow YouTube to push your video to the right audience. If you don't know how to optimize your YouTube channel well, you might just be posting and YouTube will either not push it or push it to the wrong audience. So watch this video to the end to know how to open a successful YouTube channel and optimize it, so that once you start uploading videos, YouTube will be able to know the exact type of video you are creating and will be able to put it to the right audience. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, please endeavor to like and subscribe, so that when videos like this comes up, you'll be able to be the first to know. So let's get right to the video. Alright, the first thing you have to do is to click on your YouTube app. Then after that, you click on the icon I will show. Then after that, if you have not created a channel before, you will see something like create a channel. Then you click on that. Then once you click on it, you will allow it to load. After loading, it will display something like this. This is where you can put your profile picture, your channel name, and your handle, right? And I hope everybody has already gotten his or her name for his or her channel. If you have not gotten the name for your channel, think of a name that is suitable to your niche. And if you are not sure, you can come to me. There is a WhatsApp link under the comment of this video. You can join us there and DM me with the channel name so that I can make any corrections. Alright, now first let's add our name. Let's add our channel name. Now let's add our name. Let's write our name now. Then you write your name. You write the name you have thought about, name corresponding with your niche. Alright, you write it. Then after writing it, you save. Then after saving, it will automatically show your handle. As you can see, my handle is Learn with Frank I1K. Then you click on create channel. Then you allow it to load. Leave the picture for now. We'll do the picture in another place. So once it has loaded, after that, you go to your browser and search for studio.youtube.com. This is the web page for your YouTube studio. Then when you get there, you see something like this. Welcome to YouTube studio. You click on continue. Then after you click on continue, you go to channel customization, the white line. Then you click on it, the second to the last option there. You click on it. Then when you click on it, it will take you somewhere like this. Then when you take it to this is what we call the channel customization. This is where you customize your channel, the profile picture, the banner, your description, and everything. Alright, then the first thing we're going to do is our description. We need to add description that matter, descriptions that increase SEO. Meaning of SEO is our search engine optimization. What we write in our description will determine where YouTube will take our video to. And we want YouTube to take our video to the right audience. Then we need to go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT to get the exact description for our channel. So you go to your ChatGPT, then you write something like this: give me a perfect description for my YouTube channel. Then you say my niche is, you write your niche. Me, my own personal niche is teaching people how to succeed on YouTube. Right? Then you tell it, make sure you include relevant keywords so that YouTube will know what your channel is all about. Make sure you include relevant keyword and tags for SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Then after that, YouTube will give you a perfect keyword based on the niche you gave it. Then as you can see, a perfect keyword which includes a perfect description, which includes a lot of keywords and SEO tags. Then after that, you copy those description and you go back to your studio. Then you go and paste those description. you paste those description there. You paste it. Let me paste mine. You paste it there. Then when you paste it, don't forget to include your channel name. Oh, don't forget to include your channel. Don't just paste it like that. Don't forget to include your channel name. You can cross check it and read it all over. In case of any mistake, you can adjust to your preference, because the main reason we are doing this is to increase our SEO. Then after that, you click on publish. You click on publish. Don't leave that place without publishing it. You click on publish. Publish is the same thing as save. You click on publish until you see something like change published. All right, up next we go to our Canva to make our YouTube profile picture and banner. So once we go to our Canva, we search for YouTube profile picture. Canva will give us a lot of a lot of samples. So once you search YouTube profile picture and you search, it will give you a lot of samples you can choose from and edit them to your taste. Now let's check for, you can actually check for any sample you like, but if you have a profile picture you want to use, it's fine. But if you don't have, that's why I'm giving you this option. You can go to Canva. If you don't have Canva on your phone, you can download it, then choose a sample and just edit to your taste. Now let's choose a sample now. Now let's choose this sample. So when we choose this sample now, I can just decide to change this man's face. I click on the picture, click on replace, then look for a picture that I want to replace it with. You get, so you can follow my lead. You can choose any sample. It's not compulsory to choose the exact one I chose. You can choose any one you like. So may I choose this one, then I crop it to make it look perfect. You can edit it more. You can change the color, you can change the way it is. So once you are perfectly fine, you can go ahead and save it. So me now, I'm trying to save. I'm just doing this for the purpose of tutorial. So I'm trying to save. Now I'm trying to download it now. So this is how you download it. If you can invest, you can give a graphic designer to help you create a very good profile picture for your brand. It's a brand, so you have to make it as good as possible. So after I save it now, I will go back to the home page. We have done our profile picture. I go back to the home page and search for YouTube banner. You know, I said we have to do profile picture and banner. So I'll search for YouTube banner now. Then I search, and like always, they will give you a lot of samples. You can browse through them, make your experiments, look at the one that you like, that will suit your niche. And if you can pay a graphic designer to help you to create one. Now, I'll just choose this one so that the video will not be too long. I'll choose this one. Then, after choosing it, let's wait for it to load. I'll change the picture there to the one I used as my profile picture. So you can rally around it. You can change the color, you can edit it anyhow you like if you are good in editing. And if you are not good in anything, you can just follow my lead, so you can do it. I'll change the picture to the one that I used as my profile picture earlier. Where's the picture? Look for the picture. Yeah, we'll change it. Then I'll do a little settings now there. I'll change some text there. Instead of this Alfredo T, I'll change it to the name of my channel. I'll change it to the name of my channel. Learn with Frank. Yeah, learn with Frank. Then the other one, instead of vlog, I'll change it to something like YouTube creator. Yeah. So that's what you just do. Just rally around it, you understand? Make it perfect. Make it okay, because that is one of the things people will see when they come to your YouTube channel, right? So you can change the color, make it okay to your taste. Then once you are done, you save as always. Make sure you save it, so that once you save it, you can go back to your YouTube studio and go and edit it there. You understand? Now let's go back to our YouTube studio. All right, after that, you go back to your studio, then you click on channel customization like before. Then you start uploading them. The first one is the YouTube banner. You click on upload. When you click on upload, you select the picture. You select the picture you want to upload, then you upload it. When you upload it, then the second one is the profile picture. You click on upload, then you do the same thing. You select the picture you have already created or you already have, then you click on upload. You select it, then you click on upload. So once you are done, then let's proceed with putting our contact info, like our email address. That is where people can reach out to you. Then you put your contact info, that is your email address. People can reach out to you. The people will be able to reach out to you there. So once you are done with all that, you cross check everything to make sure you have not made a mistake. After that, you click on publish. Like I said, after everything you do, you click on publish. So once you click on publish and you have seen where they said change saved, then you are good to go. You have to wait and be patient till when you see something like change saved. Now it has been saved. They say we should go back to our channel. Now we are done. After that, the next thing we have to do is go to our home tab, profile home tab, then you on it. You on the home tab. That is once you on the home tab, people will be able to see the videos immediately. They come to your channel to see your channel. Then once you on the home tab, you click on publish. The essence of all this is to grow easily. Creating a YouTube channel without optimizing will make it very, very difficult. But once you optimize your YouTube channel by following all these steps I have listed and more that will come, it will be easy for YouTube to know that yes, this your channel is for this particular type of video and this particular type of audience, so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to take your video to the right audience. This is not all the settings you have to make. There are updates every day, so it's better for you to like this video, subscribe, so that once there are more updates, I'll be bringing it to you and you'll be able to follow up. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comments and click on the link in the first comment to join our YouTube monetization class, where we'll be answering your questions and you'll be able to meet with like mind in order to grow with us. Thank you and see you in the next video.